So you just got granite countertops and they look great, but every time you open up your dishwasher, it falls forward. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to fix that problem. As you can see, when I open mine and I slide the tray out, here you can see it that the dishwasher moves forward. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that we can fix this problem, and we're going to mount this dishwasher to the granite. One of the issues with the granite is that you have nothing for the screws to bite into. So I tried doing this here on the cabinet on the side here, but you can't close the door because when you close the door, you're going to hit the screw. So one thing that you can use is this granite countertop dishwasher installation kit, and basically it comes with this clip here that has a double sticky tape that is going to get glued to the underside of the granite countertop, and then you're going to go ahead and put the screw through the bracket here onto that clip. However, for me, this is not going to be possible. You can see my mounting bracket is very tight up against the granite. This is because the dishwasher is actually sitting on top of the tile, and I no longer have the ability to go ahead and drop that dishwasher a little bit because you can see the screw here is all the way down. So when I go and insert this mounting bracket on top of the original bracket that's there, you can see that it will not fit. So for me, I was not able to use this dishwasher mounting kit just because my dishwasher was installed on top of the tile, but most homes there is no tile there and you'll be able to use it. My next option was to get some 3M sticky tape, double sticky tape, and insert it into the mounting bracket. Between the granite and the mounting bracket, I'm going to insert this double sticky tape, and what this is going to do is it's going to hold the dishwasher in place. And really, if you think about it, we are doing the same thing that the granite countertop dishwasher kit was going to do. So instead of using that kit, I basically went ahead and inserted the tape onto the original bracket, and then what I did was with a piece of wood hammered it in gently, and now you have that tape securely holding that bracket, as you can see here. So now when I pull the trays out, you can see that the dishwasher stays in place and no longer comes forward. So the double sticky tape in between the original bracket and the granite is holding the dishwasher in place, and this was a solution that really worked for me. I did buy the granite countertop dishwasher installation kit that you see here, and for most homes and most installations it will work. It did not work for me, but I got the idea of just using the tape because, as you can see, the kit really, what holds it to the granite is just a double sticky tape. The last solution is this style bracket right here. So this bracket actually goes on before you install the dishwasher. So the way it works is it goes across the top and then it gets mounted on either side of the cabinets, of the kitchen cabinets. And then you go ahead and slide the dishwasher in, and then you screw the dishwasher bracket onto this new bracket that you just installed. One of these solutions is going to work for you. The one that worked for me was the double sticky tape. Solution 1 is probably going to be a best choice. If it doesn't work out for you and you happen to be on top of the tile like I was, just use the double sticky tape. If it's a new installation, you can go ahead and use that longer bracket that goes across the top and screws on the sides of the cabinets. I hope this video was informative, and if it was, leave a comment, put a like, and subscribe for more videos.